Oh.
Dude, I think I found your dog.
Dude, where is this you?
Dude,
I mean,
yeah. Come.
I see your helipad, bro.
Come take a
Where
look.
is it?
Come take a look. I think that's him. It's hard to see. It's hard to see. I think I see a collar right here. I see.
Is he pushing heat like he's alive?
I think he's alive. Do you think that's him?
Dude, yeah. Dude, I think so, bro.
Okay, I got him marked. I've got him marked. He hasn't moved much. I'm pretty sure. I don't think it's a coyote.
I don't think so either.
No, I think that's him, dude. I really do.
Bro,
I mean,
that would just be wonderful.
I think he looks like he's moving to me.
Just really trying to make
Yeah,
sure.
see his. I think his ears.
Dude, he's moving.
That's him,
bro.
Dude, that's him,
Bro. Maximo! Max!
That's him, dude.
Maximo! Come on, little one!